DIY in the house is something that I love to do. I love that I can make my own products by myself, and I love that it's so easy. So I wanted to show you tonight how I make my own toilet spray. So toilet sprays is something that have always made me sneeze, and I've really had trouble with toilet spray. So a lot of the toilet sprays has synthetic fragrances, and they also have a lot of chemicals in them. So what I wanted to do is quickly show you how simple and easy it is to make a toilet spray with essential oils and witch hazel and water. So firstly, I got this cool spray bottle. You don't need a cool spray bottle like this, but you could have one. Just a simple sprayer like that. And this is one of my doTERRA ones that I got. I'm a wellness advocate for doTERRA, so if you do want some oils, let me know and I can give you a little sample. But what I'm going to do is show you. So 2 capfuls of witch hazel. Now I get my witch hazel online in bulk because I use so much, but if you make sure you get a pure witch hazel. Okay, so you need 2 capfuls of that. So it's about 2 teaspoons of that, a little bit more. And then you need some distilled water, so water that's been pre-boiled or distilled, so that then it actually doesn't have any of the funguses and things like that in it, so you can keep it there. Now these bottles fill very quickly, so I just need to be a bit careful. Okay, if you are using a spray bottle, just make sure that you leave enough room for it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use lime and tangerine. Now, with doTERRA essential oils, I know they're 100% pure, I know they're not synthetic, I know they're sourced humanely, and that the co-ops that are set up around them are amazing. So doTERRA is mine of one choice. There is other oils out there. Make sure you research your oils and make sure you're getting the 100% pure product. Now, tangerine, it's amazing. I haven't really used tangerine, but that's a really uplifting blend, and it makes me feel like I've got a mandarin in my hand. So that's really, really cool. So about 10 drops of the tangerine. I got 11 in, but that's okay. And then the same with lime. Now I really love lime. I pop lime in my mineral water, and 1 drop of peppermint oil is the equivalent of 28 cups of tea, so peppermint tea. So just be mindful if you are using your essential oils that you're using them appropriately, and that if you are ingesting that you're using food grade essential oils. Be very mindful of that. Don't ingest if they're not food grade. Okay. Yep, so this should definitely take away the smell in our bathroom. So you could use this spray anywhere. I love how these. Okay, so the main thing about this is that the witch hazel will stop the spray from settling on anything. Okay, so the witch hazel sprays and then it goes away. Okay, so we don't have anything settling. There's no nasty chemicals in there. It's all pure essential oils, water, witch hazel, and that's it. That's all there is in there, and it's so easy. I'm not sneezing. My kids are safe. Everything is safe, and there's no problem. There's no horrible, yucky, synthetic smells, and it smells beautiful. So every time after we go to the toilet, we can spray. You could even spray this in the toilet bowl if you wanted to, just to give it an extra bit of smell to come through. And yeah, just very, very quick, easy. It took me a couple of minutes to make it, and it's done. So I'm going to share with you lots of DIY that I do at home and how simple and easy it is. I share this with my People on Bees patch on my page, and I'd love for you to check it out. If you're interested in some samples, let me know and I can send you some samples. I just ask for postage and you can make your own DIYs. So always make sure you label your bottles as well. So with essential oils, you need to use a 1 or a 2 bottle on the bottom, number on the bottom, because otherwise the essential oils will eat through the plastics. So just make sure make the plastic leach out and the chemicals will come out. So we don't want that. So if you are using plastics, a 1 or a 2 on them. And yeah, just enjoy having natural, healthy and cheap. This has cost hardly anything to do. products, and you can refill it in your own home. Hope that helps, guys. Catch you later.